Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start today's Tech Talk with Xiaomi. Xiaomi 12 expected specifications and renders are leaked. This smartphone could have 6.2-inch curved display, Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor, 50 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 5000 mAh battery with 67 watt wired charging plus wireless charging, in-display fingerprint sensor, possibly on Android 12 with MIUI 13, LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, symmetrical stereo speakers, and this smartphone is expected to be priced around rupees 70,000. According to Digital Chat Station, Realme GT Neo 3 and Redmi K50 series will use MediaTek Dimensity 8000 processor. Live images of VIVO Watch 2 are here. According to Digital Chat Station, Realme GT2 Pro will have a Master Edition and the design will be like Realme GT Master Edition with a very special material. IQOO is going to launch its IQOO Neo 5 SE on 20th of December in China, and here are the expected specifications. This smartphone could have 6.56-inch FHD plus IPS LCD 1080 by 2376 pixels resolution 10-bit 120Hz refresh rate display, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, Snapdragon 888 processor, 50 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper, 4500 mAh battery with 66 watt charging, 4 GB virtual RAM support, dual stereo speakers, linear motor, liquid cooling, and could be pre-installed with Origin OS Ocean. Realme will soon launch Realme TECHLIFE Watch S100. Realme is going to launch its Realme Narzo 9i in India in the first quarter of 2022. This smartphone will be launched in 4GB and 6GB RAM, 64GB and 128GB storage, and will be available in Prism Blue and Prism Black colors. This is the end of today's Tech Talk session. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family members. Now I will see you all on Wednesday with the next episode of Tech Talks by Bala. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water and remember to wear the mask.